just last Friday night in Columbia was named the 2014-15 Middle School Student of the Year from Spartanburg Prep. Guest speaker, Jamel Williams.
Good evening. Today we are here to celebrate the graduation of our kindergarten class. I remember my first day of kindergarten. I was afraid, but by the end of the year, I couldn't wait to get to first grade. And now, after having many first days, I know that there is nothing to be afraid of. All of you are superheroes. You come to school and you knock out the villains like classwork, and you break down new doors every day. Sometimes you're like Quicksilver and you knock everything out quickly. Sometimes you're the Hulk and you get frustrated and you smash everything. That is where your teachers are coming. Your teachers are like Black Widow. They know how to calm you down and help you figure everything out. They wipe away the tears and make everything better again. Then you go home and your parents are like Captain America. They shield you from all the bad in the world. They keep you safe and help you feel invincible. Your friends all around you are superheroes too. They help you when you need to conquer lots of homework and when you fall. Together, you make the Avengers, an unstoppable bunch of heroes, and there's nothing that you can't do. If you tell a teacher that you want to get a good grade on the next test, they will do everything in their power to help you. When you get older, it sometimes might feel like your parents and teachers are the bad guys, but they are not. They are always on your side no matter what. Your friendships will be tested. One day you might look at someone and say, that is Iron Man, and the next day you might look at that same person and say, that is Ultron. Many years from now, you'll take the Avengers and everything you've learned to college, and with their help, you'll graduate with honors. Then you'll take the Avengers into the rest of your life, but instead of teachers, it will be your co-workers. You'll look back and you'll see that kindergarten was where it all started. Sooner than you think, you'll be in middle school where I am now, and you'll wish you were in kindergarten again. I know sometimes I do. Congratulations, kindergarten class.